Hey guys, welcome back. So today I've created this warm halo look. So let's get started. I like to start with a guideline. Therefore, with an angle brush, I'm applying brew. You don't have to be so careful with it because as the name of it is just a guideline. After this, I'm kind of packing the same color with Ruby May Luxe pencil. I'm using Alchemy as my crease color. Using Hex with Luxe Petite Crease brush from Ruby May, I'm kind of blending my crease color a little bit. As my transition shade, I'm using Toucan. Okay, now my draft is over, so I can build the colors. And then I'm applying Alchemy where I did before. Using Eyegolor flat brush and Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Concealer No. 1, I'm cutting my crease. With MSQ pencil brush, I'm applying brew on my inner and outer corners. And now I'm applying Alchemy, and as you can see, I'm kind of creating a V-line inside my crease. For the center, I'm applying tonic. Using my Rossmann brush with no pressure, I'm just blending them all together. To add more drama, I'm applying potion to my crease line and inner and outer corners of my crease. Alchemy. And of course, I'm gonna blend them. With Luxe pencil, I'm doing the same thing again. want my center a little bit more sparkly. Therefore, I'm applying Huda Beauty melted eyeshadow in color Bamboo Hoops. Let's blend this too. Yeah, this time my line is kind of crooked, so I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna clean my under eye. Be right back. For my under eye, I'm going to use the same eyeshadows in the same order. That means first I'm applying Brew. Alchemy. And Toucan. Highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone with tonic. For my waterline and upper lash line, I'm applying Essence Brown Eye Pencil. These are pearl lashes from La Page Trends. As final step, I'm applying my Yves Rocher Sexy Pulp Mascara. And this is the final look. I hope you liked it. I know that I do it kind of complicated, but this is my own style. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye!